I thought I got rid of you. You little flying, buzzing fly. Flying, buzzing fly. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and today's video is just going to be a try-on type of get ready with me with some new Tarte products, but mostly old Tarte products. But everything I will be using will be Tarte. If you guys are excited to watch me create this look, or get into this video, or see how, you know, the new little Tarte MANEATER eyeshadow palette performs, keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up while you're watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell. That way you guys are notified when I upload new videos, which is going to be every Tuesday and Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then starting at least once a week, I will be doing a live stream just so I can interact with you guys, whether it's an unboxing or a get ready with me, a try on, a little fruit fly, get on my face. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get on into this little Tarte get ready with me. I do absolutely love them as a brand. Some things are a hit and some things are definitely a miss. But we are going to be trying the new Tarte Double Duty Beauty Confessions of a Man-Eater palette today, as well as I did recording of it. It's not up. I don't even know if it's gonna go up. Hey guys, Editing Jessie here. I was trying to edit that video. I absolutely hated it, so we're just gonna continue on with this one. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that other fun stuff. Love you guys. Trying out the Maracuja? Yeah, that word. As I also did with the little bronzer, the little cream bronzer. But then I picked up the new Hydro Concealer. I didn't open that, I probably should have. Oh, interesting. If you guys are excited to get into this video. Okay, so let's start with it's the Tarte Cosmetics Maracuja Concentrated Face Balm. It's like a little moisturizer, because why not? What? That's the outer packaging. It's shiny, so you're gonna look at me. But it's got, can you see it on the camera, like little flecks of gold in it? Actually, I have to do it one hand because I fell. But the little gold little fleck thingies, I don't even know what they are really, because there's no ingredients on this, so we're just gonna... Oh, can you see it? Yeah, you can definitely see them through there now. They just kind of dissipate. While that sinks in, we're gonna use the Tarte Maracuja C Brightening I almost said eye trimmer. Eye treatment. Goodness help me. Okay, little guy, you can go away now, please. I've used the balm and this eye cream several times. I enjoy the eye cream. I think it actually does a decent amount of the puffiness and dark circles and everything. Okay, and then while those sink in, we're gonna use the Double Duty Beauty Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer. We're just gonna open this little felly really quick and use the mirror in here. Oh, that's got a nice little magnet to it. This is what this one looks like. And then I think when we do the eyes, so we're gonna do this little, it's got like a description on the back, and it says get a sultry stare. So we're gonna try that and see how that works. Although last time I followed one of the Too Faced ones, I will link that in the, I'll link that in the eye and down below. I think it was with a BoxyCharm unboxing. Yeah, I did not like their little tutorial thing. No. Why am I doing a try-on and everything when I have one hand? Jessie, what is wrong with you? It's okay, I missed you guys, so I wanted to film. And I wanted to try out this palette. Now this eye primer, it's not my favorite. Why I still have it and I haven't decluttered it, I don't know. Then again, it's only got this much left in it, so... Oh no, it just actually broke. Oh no, I lied. There's a tiny bit at the bottom, but I've actually almost used it all. And I don't even really like it. Maybe I just wanted to get my money's worth. Because it does kind of crease. Although, have I tried it with their new palettes? Just a quick rambling. Oh yeah, as well as for only using Tarte products in this video. Like makeup products and beauty products. Oh yeah, we're going to be using the Tarte brushes too. And, oh, the little Shape Tape Powder Foundation. I'm going to use that as like a setting powder. I think I went through my actual Tarte setting powder. I did find out that this eye primer does work better if it is set. So, although, have you guys tried this little Tarte Double Beauty eye primer pencil thing? Do you even like Tarte? What are your opinions or thoughts or whatever on Tarte, the brand? Let me know down below, because I am actually very curious. Although, I do want to do a video on all the Tarte palettes I have, because I have a lot. Actually, I need to do a video on all my palettes, because I have a lot. And I should also do one on my blushes. Actually, we should just do a declutter and get rid of some of them. So maybe a declutter video coming your way. Do you guys like declutter videos? Let me know down below. It says, buff kitten me into the crease. Kitten me is this little girl right here. And we're going to buff you into the crease. Also, I do plan on doing some story times because, oh geez, I got some tales to tell you. Well, not really tales. Tales is fake, isn't it? Would it be real tales? But then now I'm thinking of cats because they have tails. Apply purdy all over the lid. Work better with the brush or the finger. How about we do brush, finger? Nope, I like the finger better. So, just kidding, we're gonna go in on this side too. My hand's going numb. Do you guys have carpal tunnel? Do you know what carpal tunnel is? It sucks. Makes your hands go numb and it feels like you got needles sticking into it. How many layers are you gonna put on this, Jessie? I mean, this is probably your fourth. Stop. It's pretty. We know. What is next? Pack positive onto the outer corner and lower lash lines. So positive is this one. There's actually not that much fallout or kickback in these. I mean, there's probably your typical. Not nearly as much as like the e.l.f. bite-size shadows, or even as much as the older Tarte palettes. Or am I just kind of hoping and wishing that they got better? Because I love them. And this also has to do with cats. It could be all of the above. So if you guys have tried this palette, let me know your thoughts on it. Like, do you think this formula is a little better or the same? Actually, Jen, you're probably not watching this, but you should do like a comparison of new Tarte palette formulas if it has changed compared to their old ones, and maybe if people like the new ones. Because I know a lot of people hated the old ones. Well, maybe not hated. Hate is a strong word, but dislike. Or it wasn't their favorite formula. It says to pack it, so that's what we're doing. But maybe I shouldn't have done the lower lash line quite yet because we didn't do our foundation and whatnot. But that's okay. Mistakes can be made and mistakes can be fixed. Right? You can always fix a mistake. That's why we call it a mistake, you know? Am I just being like really dumb today? I'm surprised that this is actually coming off as dark as it is, because in the pan, I'm using this one. You know, it almost looks like I'd be using this one, but I'm not. So we're going to apply Smitten Kitten Blush into the apples of... Oh, we're done with the look? Well... Oh, am I? You didn't even tell me to put like eyeliner on or anything. Normally you do. You say, oh, use your like Tarte MANEATER, blah, blah, blah. Yep, screw it. We're gonna go in with Meow Mint. Why? Because that's fun to say. What do you guys call a pile of kittens? A meowton. I'm gonna take that wild color, deepen up that crease. So I failed to mention that I was just using a clean brush and blending the corners in. So before we go on to the face, we have, I'll explain why I'm laughing in a second, but this is the Tarte Easy on the eyes, just obviously in black. The Tarte little MANEATER, and just the Tarte what are you? Oh, just, it's the Tarteist mascara. I'm a mess. I love this song. And so while I'm laughing, because this was almost gone, so I sharpened the plastic. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. It's so creamy and black. I'm staring at the viewfinder to do this because why not? But I just really quickly also just used the, like I said, threw it in my lap. The Tarte MANEATER mascara just to do a wing. And then now we're gonna go in and curl our lashes. This is probably gonna be one of the last times this gets used. Oh, it's called lash paint, but it's pretty, it's on its last little leg. You, my little felly, yeah, you're a little old. Why did I do mascara and stuff before my face? Very good question. You can't go back now. Can we really quick just admire this gorgeous little kitty cat? Now we're gonna prime our face with, we're gonna use the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. We can put on our cocktails. I know we don't need. The Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse. And for some reason I got taupe, so it might be a little dark. The Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. Why am I speaking like that? I love these little plastic things because perfect for putting foundation on. And then you can easily wipe them off. Life hacks, right? Oh, you were a little light after I got some sun, huh? Well, yep. It's a tinted moisturizer. It's seeming to actually oxidize. This is the little sponge that comes with it. It's pretty nifty. This side's completely flat. This side's flat. But then, your little curve. And I always tap in it, the foundation, tinted moisturizer, whatever it is that I'm using, with a sponge afterwards. So, and there is Mr. Buzzy Buzz flying around. You can leave any time now. I hope you are aware. Oh, there's a lot left over there, Jess. Jessie, what'd you do? Now you gotta get rid of all of that. Ooh, we can see if it's buildable. But where can I build? Boop. Bitty boop. 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 Now, this little point, I don't know. I really kinda like, because then I can get right underneath, like my eyes. It's not even a moisture. No! No, I got tinted moisturizer on my Bailey Syrian shirt. Shape tape contouring, whatever.
Well, we can try and work with it.
I don't know why I didn't dot my nose, you guys. All right. There we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer there, but when you use too much or a big brush. Well, maybe I shouldn't have did that. But let's try this concealer and then move on. Oh yeah, and I got the shade 12B Fair Beige, and then in this one I got 13N Fair Light Neutral. What are my thoughts on you so far? Well, you seem to be blending in pretty pretty nice. Are you gonna crease? That I don't know yet. Yeah, I didn't even smell it. What? Who says that? Oh, I didn't even smell it. It smells like paint. Yeah, it smells like paint. Really quick, we're gonna go on with the cream bronzer. Got like the world's teeniest tiny mirror. Like if I hold it this far, I can kind of see right here. Maybe a sponge wasn't the best. I don't know. I don't really wear cream products. Why? I don't know. At least this doesn't smell like paint. It's got a different, unique smell. Almost like, not, well, because if it smelled like Play-Doh, doesn't that mean it's bad? Well, I just got it. They just came out with it. Maybe that's just the scent. Ew. So really quick, I'm just going to set the rest of my face with the Tarte. I learned this from Kate the Great. She goes in with a powder over a cream to make it last longer, so we're gonna go in with the, this is Hotel Iris. Little blushy guy that they have in the sky. Smitten Kitten is the blush. Just so you, you guys know. This is the Smitten Kitten, and then this is the Catitude. Wait. It doesn't smell like they're vanilla. That actually makes me very, very sad. But then we're gonna go in with Catitude for our little highlight. To finish it off, we are going to use the Maracuja Miracle Mist. Which I love this stuff. It's so, I mean, like I could do it with my eyes open. So really quickly off camera, I just lined my lips with this Lip Architect lipstick and liner in Mousse. But then I just filled in my lips with You Are in the shade Colada. No, and I hate pina colada. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that little notification bell. That way you are notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday and Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Unless I decide to throw in a little bonus video. Ooh, and at least once a week, I haven't decided fully what day it is, I will be doing a live stream. Whether it's just an unboxing or even just maybe a get ready with me. Although this one didn't turn out too good. So let's see how that turns out, but mainly just so I can interact with you guys. I love you guys. I will see you in either my next video or a live stream or something. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. And hit that little notification. Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm gonna leave it. Kind of looks like I have a mop on my head. Buzz and fly. Okay. And you're also staring at yourself, not the camera. Don't stare at yourself, stare at the camera. Because, you know, you want to talk to your audience, not you. And I have no idea what is going on with you up here. So keep on watching. Jessie, what are you doing? This is, what is it? Is it actually? This is a shark. Why? Because I need to use this crap up. It's not really crap, so I should, oh, shit.